Hello, all Transformers again, and welcome to another Transformers video review. Transformers reviewing Blizzard Strike Optimus Prime. Oh yeah, things are starting to get topsy-turvy right here, and this time even though Optimus Prime is receiving a Blizzard form, but it's like giving him new powers to do anything. I mean, it's kind of like that from the start. I mean, it's kind of cool. I mean, see, Optimus Prime is pretty cool on the farm, I must say. Is it like, I mean, it does give him all kind of blue color. I mean, there's some kind of light blue, like navy blue, and some white features all over it. It's actually kind of cool, and it's got 9 steps. See? Anyways, I can't figure out how to transform him. Anyways, to transform him, just take his axe out. Just make sure you don't force it out, because you know that'll be bad. Anyways, put his fighter chair on his legs, like so. And then turn his waist around like so. It can be very hard to do so. Split apart his arms like so. Put his side down like that. Put his other legs, arms, and hands down. Put it like that, like so. And then, unless you want to do, foot on his Prime's head up, like so. And there's his head right there. Also, if we make Optimus holding his axe, try and get that holded. And here's Optimus Prime holding his axe as usual. And I must say, his new powers is quite offensive. I mean by offensive, I mean awesome. However, when we're gonna get to have a cat desert form, like Desert Strike Optimus Prime, when we're gonna get that toy out? Well, not sure. Even though I watched both parts of the Sing Till, just to kind of part 1, part 2, I must say I love it. Even though it's quite sad, to see like Turbox leave with his Mekan cousins while Fixicon stayed. That's kind of helpful. Even though Roger appeared in scene 2, it's quite cool. Sad he had to leave along with Windblade and Prime. Shame we'll never get to hear Perry calling again. Speaking of Perry Collins, Optimus Prime is being voiced by my friend Leslie is going to visit the voice actor himself. Well, if he meets Optimus Prime, I must say it's quite cool. Anyways, Optimus Prime looks cool in his Blizzard farm. It's actually kind of cool. And I might say we might get some other Blizzard farms of all the other Autobots. That include Jetstorm, Slipstream, Windblade, and Drift. That will be true enough. Since it's always been pretty cool. Anyways, I think that is kind of it for this video review of Transformers Robots in the Skies Blizzard Strike Optimus Prime. So yeah, see you in my next review. I do Hound, and then I would try to do Smokescreen and Mirage. Oh, I still have them See, look, I have Mirage, Smoke Screen, and Mirage. I'll try to do them one by one once I get my camera charged. Also, I just came out fast, so I can do Blizzard Strike Optimus Prime. So you started here. See it? See? Yeah, whatever. Anyways, that's kinda it for this Transformer. See ya.